Hey everybody, Tattooed Squirrel here. So, I've got a few things that I'm actually working on. I'm not going to go through the entire installation process just because, in my opinion, that's kind of tedious and it's been done before. I mean, there's several things that I'm sure everybody has already seen. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to take a look at some of the stuff that just came in today. So hang right in guys, so some of the stuff that came back today from Powder Coat are my rock rails. And then inside the box, we're looking at some black parts, some blue parts, some blue shackles. How about some factory tow hooks? And we got, last but not least, the moose knuckles, powder coated in the same blue as all the rest of the stuff. So we're gonna get all of this stuff together. Gonna go ahead and get it all installed, and then what we'll do is I'll come back and I'll get you set up and we'll do a walkthrough after everything's installed so you can see what it all looks like when it's finished.